Are you tired of constantly struggling with matches or traditional lighters while camping? Well, we've got some good news for you. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 camping plasma lighters that will make lighting up your campfire a breeze. From windproof features to long-lasting battery life, we'll cover everything you need to know to find the perfect plasma lighter for your next camping trip. Whether you're a seasoned camper or just starting, a reliable lighter is a must-have. So, sit back, relax, and let us guide you through the best plasma lighters on the market. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay connected with us for more camping gear reviews and recommendations. Introducing the LC Fun Waterproof Lighter, your ideal companion for any outdoor adventure. With its metal ring sealed cover and locking clasp, this lighter features an IP56 waterproof system that ensures water does not seep inside, making it the perfect choice for camping, hiking, traveling, or survival tactical situations. This windproof and flameless lighter is also USB chargeable, which means it's an economic and eco-friendly option for your camping gear. The built-in rechargeable lithium battery eliminates the need for gas or butane, saving you money and making it more convenient to use. It only takes about 2 hours to fully charge and comes with a thick paracord lanyard for better carrying. Made with high-quality ABS and zinc alloy material, this durable lighter is fashionably designed and features a Tesla-inspired current voice. With a 60-day guarantee, the LC Fun Waterproof Lighter also comes with excellent after-sale service. Just remember to avoid using it with metal products. Moving on to the review of number 4 on our list, we have the LC Fun Plasma Lighter. This lighter boasts an impressive 75-degree slope pole design, making it stand out from the rest. Its upgraded Type-C rechargeable feature allows for safe flameless windproof use. Not to mention, its mighty and domineering tiger motif adds a touch of style to your camping gear. The LC Fun Plasma Lighter is equipped with a built-in rechargeable lithium battery and upgraded Type-C charging port, allowing it to be fully charged in about 1 hour. With its windproof plasma technology, this lighter is perfect for all weather conditions and prevents accidental forest fires. It also comes with a stylish gift box, Type-C charging cable and instructions, making it the perfect gift choice for Christmas, birthdays, business trips, and parties. With a 90-day product guarantee, you can rest assured that you will receive a perfect solution for any problems. Introducing the third item on our list, the Lafarge Survival Lighter. This new generation arc lighter is designed to be Type-C rechargeable and has a highly efficient charging method. With more and more people using Type-C in their daily lives, Lafarge has redesigned the internal circuit to make it fully chargeable in just 1 hour. Users can now use any Type-C cable to charge the lighter, eliminating the hassle of losing their cable. The Lafarge Survival Lighter is a game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts. Its robust silicone rubber shell makes it hard to break, and it has a built-in flashlight at the bottom along with an extra whistle carried on the lanyard, which is made of a special material that can be used as a fire starter. The flashlight has 3 modes: high, low, and strobe, making it ideal for outdoor sports like hiking and fishing. The Lafarge electric lighter uses advanced arc design to fire upwards, which has a broader range of applications like candle, pipe, or firework. The lighter also has a 7 auto-off feature to protect users from fire hazards. Lafarge values customer satisfaction and has upgraded the waterproof lighter to include Type-C charging, built-in flashlight, and a compact size based on customer feedback. They offer a 1-year warranty on every lighter sold, and customers can contact them for any questions or concerns. Moving on to number 2 on our list, the Gatatop Electric Lighter is the perfect companion for all your outdoor adventures. With its strong waterproof performance, you can rest assured that it can withstand any weather condition. This product is rated IP56, which means it can be submerged in water. Its upgraded flashlight feature is also a significant improvement over previous models, with a 100-lumen LED torch that generates a large area floodlight with an illumination distance of 20 am. The flashlight also has 3 modes: high, low, and SOS/emergency, making it perfect for camping, hiking, hunting, and other outdoor activities. Made of aluminum alloy and ABS, this flashlight lighter is not only eco-friendly but also practical and durable. Its non-slip surface and hand strap make it easy to carry, while the built-in rechargeable lithium battery saves you money and makes it more convenient to use. It is also equipped with automatic power-off protection, short-circuit protection, leakage protection, and wind-proof arc ignition, making it more durable and safe. This noble and elegant lighter is also a perfect holiday gift for your loved ones. The top product on our list is Lafagiate, a multi-purpose lighter that is perfect for all occasions. It is a versatile lighter that you can use indoors and outdoors. Unlike other lighters that are specific to certain tasks, Lafagiate is a true EDC gear that can do it all. Lafagiate comes with a 360 degrees flexible, stretchable, high-quality, and heat-resistant hose. The hose can be retracted back for convenient storage and can also keep the flame away from you while lighting candles or stoves. The upgraded hanging hole is perfect for carabiners and can be hung on backpacks. It also comes with a survival lanyard that you can wear around your neck. The Type-C charge method is more stable, faster, and safer, protecting the battery and extending the life of the lighter. Lafagiate is a true IP56 level waterproof lighter that performs exceptionally well in strong winds or storms. It is the perfect choice for camping, hiking, fishing, and other outdoor activities. Thanks for watching our review of the top 5 camping plasma lighters on Camp Vibes. We hope you found it informative and useful in choosing the best plasma lighter for your next camping trip. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more outdoor gear reviews, camping tips, and adventure inspiration. With your support, we can continue to bring you the best content for all your outdoor needs. Happy camping!